So from output device, an output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Most computer data output that is meant for humans is in the form of audio or video. Thus, most output device used by human in those category examples include monitor, projectors, plotters, and printers. Okay, plotters already I told. No, plotter, I didn't told to you. I told to your senior batch, class 7. Okay, so first is monitor. Monitor, you all know. It is also known as VDU. Cathode ray tube, flat panel display. These are very old. Okay, nowadays it is becoming what? LED. LCD is also means kind of old. LED is there, means in our home, my means in my room the TV is LED TV, and that is actually I brought it back at 2014. So that is becoming old nowadays. Many kind of other technologies are booming, like plasma TV, this that means nowadays the main motto is what you know,
Ma'am,
make
like
make
LKG.
make the entire technology more slimmer, more means looking wise more good, more better, like this way they are just doing. Okay, so these are very old method. I am not going to display, I'm not going to explain or something like that because I don't want to make you go. Next is liquid crystal display projector. Mostly the projectors you are getting to see back at your school or somewhere, these are actually this type of projectors they are used. Okay, an LCD projector is a type of video projector for displaying video images or computer data on the screen on the flat surface. Next, coming to plotter. Okay, plotters and printers are kind of doing the same work. Okay, I'm saying what you just try to understand, but printer is printing like this. One means suppose this entire line printer have to print. Printer will just one dot very nicely it will put and it will print. But like the way suppose I'm writing my name, like the way I'm written my name, plotter is printing accordingly. Mostly plotters are on the expensive side, more big flex, banners, those kind of festoons, those kind of things. Some few places nowadays, some good plotters are getting used for designing t-shirts, saris, everything it can do. Okay, so unlike the plotter can draw continuous point-to-point lines directly from vector graphics file or commands. Okay, direct lines means how I have shown. Printer is printing like this, like this, but it will just printing haphazardly like the way it is there. Okay, so like this way they are just doing. Okay, so next coming to plotters is done. Here just you just mark the difference between plotter and printed. Unlike a regular printer, the plotter can draw continuous point to point lines directly from vector graphics files or commands. Okay. Next here inkjet printer is there. Non-impact character printers, relatively new technology, not new. This is a very old also, I am saying that, because nowadays means those printers I have seen, means my was liquid crystal inkjet was not there. My was different kind of printer was there, and that is also become means what non-functionable. So making less noise or what we were not going to read that. Much more questions means this type of things are every year they will provide, but not much things are needed for that. Okay, so here what we will learn like that software. From software, what you will learn first, you will learn the system software responsible for controlling, integrating, and managing the individual hardware components of a computer system. Okay. driver, interpreters, compiler, and assemblers. These things are very, very important parts of your system software. Okay, so first is operating system. Operating system is these are example Windows, mostly we are using. Android also you are using. I have used Linux also in my machine. Linux also getting stored, means in my machine 2 operating systems are there, but you can use one operating system at once. Mac I haven't used till now, but I have means who are using Mac, they are telling that actually in Mac everything is paid service. Means one app I'm going to download, one something I'm going to their cloud, everything, iCloud, Gmail, WhatsApp, everything is a paid service. So mostly I am not that much rich to just afford all this, but who are using, they are telling that from their user experience that those are means mostly very good. Okay. So whatever very basic few differences are there in the operating system. Okay, like Windows 7 is there, Windows 7, 10, or whatever you are having. But why Android came? Android came because Android is very user friendly. We can touch anywhere on our phone and that option is open. Even একটা বাচ্চা 4-5 বছরের বাচ্চা যার কোনো concept নেই what is Android, what is Windows, but he or she can also operate, right? That is why Android becomes so popular nowadays. So here you just mark what is operating system from here to almost the entire para, and also the examples are also important. Okay. Chandan, please mute yourself. After that, drivers. A driver is a software that allows your computer to communicate with hardware or devices like printer. If we are going to use printer, the software is needed to run the printer, or only then computer means from our computer that printer will get means operated. Otherwise, it will not. Okay. Next, coming to compiler. Compiler is a program that translates a source program written in some high-level programming language into machine code for some computer architecture. While we will read Java, Java is a programming language. That time you will more understand what is the usage of what is the use of compiler. Okay, I'm just going to mute you all because many students are very good now. That is why. Because here you don't have to say nothing. Only I will explain. You have to listen. Sound disturb I don't like much because through headphone it is just hurting our brain. Means my brain too much. So the generated machine code. Machine code means what? Computer. I already you know. Computer only understand. Computer only understand what? Binary language. Computer means only understand binary. Binary means only there are 2 digits, that is 1 0 and 1 is 1. Okay, so compiler is doing what? Just high level programming language like Java. There are some program like that for printing. They are like system.println. Okay, this is the printing command. Okay, println. Suppose I have written here hello world. Hello world. Okay. So this thing in English we have writing. This thing will be getting converted to binary by the help of compiler. Nothing to write from here, only understood. Okay. Next, interpreter. Interpreter reads an executable program written in a high-level programming language as well as data for this program. It runs the program against the data to produce some result. An interpreter is smaller than compiler. One example is Unix shell interpreter. Unix I have read, which runs the operating system commands interactively. In Unix we have to give the command one by one. Okay. Like this way, interpreter also works over here. Next, coming to assembler. Assembler is a program that translates assembly language program into machine language. Mostly these are operating inside our computer, which we can't see. But if you are going to learn Java, that time you will get to know that which is working what. Okay, and there are application software. Application software means what? Microsoft Office. Okay, and installed Zoom. Those are application software which we are actually downloading from some source and we are using it. In the Android, suppose many of you are using Zoom from the phone. So Android is the operating system and Zoom is the application software. Okay, or we can say that like that, Android is system software. Android is system software. Okay, because without that your phone will not work. System software in short, we can write like that. And here, while you are using the app Zoom, this is, we can consider it as application software. Application software. Okay, I hope that up to this everything is clear. I'm just saving this picture because I will upload it later. Just mark everything and give a reading up to this so that nicely you all have understood what I want to say up to this. I hope everyone has marked and everyone has read. So I am going to the next. Next is computer language. Okay, these are very popular, very booming. You have to, if you are having interest to coding mostly, one day you were telling, mostly I hope that you are learning few computer languages. If not, you can try it. There are various kind of language, C++, Java. These are very on the easy side, I can say. After that, there are also here I can see HTML for the website development, HTML, CSS, advanced HTML. So these are actually computer language. Okay. If you have learned all those things, you can just do many things, especially this part. You can create one website. Okay, for hosting the website, you need to take help of Google or something. Or here Java is doing what? Java is for the integration purpose, like Flipkart. Okay, just let me open the screen of Flipkart. Just wait for a while. Okay, they require my login. Suppose here, login I am not want to show. Here you can see, I can just change the pictures, right? All those pictures I can change, right? These are getting, means for this kind of website design in Java is much needed. Java, some features are getting used over here. Okay, so this kind of languages already we know, and there are many others languages as well. Ruby, PHP, MySQL. MySQL is needed for the designing some websites or something like that. Okay, So here you will learn the low level language, which was very primitive, machine language, assembly language. Here only mark those parts which you need to know. Examples, whatever I have given of languages, these things you need to learn. Okay. If possible, somewhere here in your book, please write those things. Example of computer language. Okay. And here you just read. It can only understand and execute instructions given in the form of machine language, that is 0 and 1. There are two types of low level language, machine language and assembly language. Machine language is saying what? Lowest and most elementary level, and kind of electric signals. Okay. Next is assembly language. Assembly language developed in 1950, low-level programming language for computer or other programming device. Okay. Only up to this you have to read from this part. Write it down, note it down somewhere else. Okay, so I'm deleting this part from my end. I hope everyone has done. If not done, after this class, I will upload everything. Okay, next is high level programming language, whatever I told. I don't know HTML, you get to know in this class. Rest of the subjects, if you are going to read in computer science, I am seeing every time one participants is leaving. If you don't want to do the class, tell your management, they will take care of it. Why you are leaving? I never gave attendance at first. You all know, at last only I am giving the attendance. So high level language, a similar language for means English. How we are talking like that. Okay, so format that are similar to English, those purpose developing and example. And here memory tips are very much important. Okay, all those things, because it's that actually the summary of the entire chapters. So coming to the exercise, fill in the blanks, true, false, tick the correct answer. You can do in your book now you do by pencil, but later in copy you all should copy it down. So first is voltage. Okay, here I am writing the answers, please copy it down. Okay, because here it is looking very bad. So A1 voltage, only the fill in the blanks part, voltage or temperature. Next is 2 is what? 5 groups. 3 is actually touch screen interface. 4 is magnetically. Okay, this is one single word. pixels. Copy it down very fast. I hope that everyone has completed. I'm wrapping. Is there anyone not completed or something like that? Please raise your hand. Next, B, I'm solving. True statements don't need to correct, but false statements need to correct. True. Next, true. So 3 will be false. And here ebook will be changed in, ebook will change, and the change will be notebook. 4 is true. 5 is also true. 6 is false. Here one twist is there. Compiler will be changed as interpreter. Interpreter will be changed as compiler. Okay, just interchange it. Means compiler will be interpreter. Compiler will be interpreter. And interpreter will be compiler. Okay. Next is question number 7. Question number 7 is also true. After that, we are going to do this. Step. Write it fast, very fast. Pick the correct option. Question number A, I have done. Complete it very fast. 25 participants who are leaving. I am telling you one thing. Yes, Prajakta, done. Okay, I'm just giving you the options to unmute. Who are leaving? I haven't seen who has joined, who left. 29 students are there.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that fill in the blank, ma'am, please tell that question number 6 and 7's answer.
6 and 7
Fill
answer.
in the
6
blank.
will be 6 will be pixels and 7 will be LCD.
Ma'am, complete.
Ma'am, please tell the number 1 answer.
Okay, fill in the blanks again. I'm repeating voltage or temperature, okay, etc. Means many things we can just put over here. Question number 2 is 5 groups. On the basis of size, we can classify the computers into 5 groups. Question number 3, touch screen interface. You know, tablets, they are asking. Next, question number 4 is mainframe. Question number 5 is magnetically. Question number 6 is pixels. And question number 7 is LCD. And true false, you all can see right here. Okay. So,
Yes,
so done. This is everyone's done. Everyone, please.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, complete.
Again, I can't say. You just after this
Yes,
class
ma'am.
only, I will upload all the answers. Okay.
Ma'am, you
From there,
tell question number 6, pixel.
pixel. We are telling like that now. This camera is
Okay,
30
ma'am.
megapixel. Megapixel means what? Pixel is actually a dot, a color dot. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer of 7.
LCD projector is commonly used for displaying presentation. LCD, liquid crystal display.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, I have message you that in math brain teasers will come.
Okay, that what I replied. We'll see and tell.
Ma'am, the phone now I don't have. I am doing from laptop.
Okay. In the chat section, I replied. Yesterday only I replied because you have messaged twice or thrice, something like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
you will send all answer in school chat.
yes, all answers every day's work I'm sending. Ask your friend, you are new in the class. Who is this? First tell me. Okay, I am showing, giving the next answers also. I'm clearing this. Okay. Don't need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
just go to next here, because true false, if it is there, no problem will happen. So their first answer is Latin. After that, it will be hybrid. After that, B. After that, Kindle. After that, MICR. After that, question number 8 will be B. Question number 9 will be C. Okay, question number 9 will be C. And 10 will be D. Okay, up to this today, complete it very fast. One answer was
Complete.
one answer. Okay, let me take the attendance. Your friends are completing, I hope so. Let me take the attendance. Okay, class is only 7 minutes left.
Ma'am, first answer.
Fast
Ma'am, question
answer.
answer we will discuss in
Fast,
class too.
Yes. 1B. One answer is B. One answer is B. Okay. So I'm opening the participants part over this page.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell
ma'am,
me.
what is the answer of number 1 and number 6?
Which number 1? Question number, tell me the question number. A, B, C. Means fill in the blanks,
C.
true, false. C. Question number
C.
1 is B. And 6 will be answered. Oh, 6 is Kindle. Kindle I haven't marked, na? 6 is Kindle. 6 is Kindle.
Question number 1 is A.
Oh,
Question number 1 will be that
okay. Just wait for a while. Here one mistake was there. Okay, attendance I can take later. Here, this will be tablet. Tablet doesn't have any kind of mouse or keyboard. Okay. From here up to handheld, it is okay. 5 and 6 was mistaken. Okay, this is. Now I'm taking the attendance. Don't leave the class. Complete it accordingly. And also stop the recording.